Hi everybody, this is my Web 2.0 presentation on Glogster. Probably asking yourself, what is Glogster? Glogster is an online platform that can be used for creating presentations and interactive learning activities. Users create glogs, which are online posters that contain text, images, and videos. Glogster's website is actually really cool. You can actually see a bunch of glogs that have already been made. A lot of cool blogs out there for a lot of different topics. There's 40,000 blogs that have been made that cover 80 topics across 9 disciplines. So Glogster is, really good, just a cross-disciplinary tool that you can use in pretty much any style of classroom. Glogster also has an iPad app for all you iPad enthusiasts out there. The system requirements for Glogster are pretty basic. All you need is the latest available version of your web browser, and Flash Player also has to be installed on the devices that you're using Glogster on. Moving along to the costs of Glogster. Now, the cost of Glogster is probably one of the biggest cons it has. Glogster, there is a free version available, but it doesn't actually include all the features. If you pay a subscription, you can actually get, all the Glogster features. As you see, there's a bunch of different packages you can buy. You can buy the month edition, you can buy the elementary edition, the secondary edition, or the faculty edition. And I think another con with this is, just take the faculty one for example. It gives access to 10 teachers and 250 students, which it seems like a lot, but if you have 251 students, that could be a real inconvenience. And then, so you pretty much would have to buy like another package on top of that. So Glogster is, pretty expensive. We'll get into reviews of Glogster a little later on in this presentation. Moving on to the pros and cons of Glogster. Now, I already mentioned that the cost of Glogster is a con, but some of the pros of Glogster is that, it can be used as a replacement for traditional poster projects. Glogster also allows students to engage in a particular topic and use critical thinking and research skills to complete their work. Glogster can also, be used to develop students' presentation skills, and presentations can also be interactive and fun, and can be used in multiple subject areas, which I already mentioned. Very cross-disciplinary. You can use it in a history class, science class, English class, music class, and it's a presentation tool that isn't just designed for one subject area. It can be used in multiple. I already mentioned again for the third time. One of the cons was the costs, and another con which I already mentioned was the free version doesn't have all the features that the paid subscription one has. So that can be kind of crappy. And then the other one, or another con, is requires technology that some schools might not have access to. A lot of schools have a tight budget and might not be able to afford to have all updated technology in their classrooms. And as we already talked about, that Glogster, you need the latest version of the web browser you're using and other software stuff. So so Glogster, I mean that's another comment there. So I will step aside for just a couple minutes and let you guys watch a demonstration on Glogster.
Today I'm going to show you how easy it can be to create an interactive multimedia poster using Glogster. After a simple registration process, you come to your home page and select Create New Glog. Choose from either a blank canvas to start with or one of several different templates that have been categorized by subjects your students may be learning about. We're going to select a blank canvas, and when you get to the canvas, you'll notice there's a toolbar that gives you the option to add different types of media that you want your glog to contain. I'm going to select image to begin with. Now I've got some images that have already been uploaded here. You can upload images from your computer. You can also search the web directly from Glogster for the images that you're looking for. Once you found your image, select it, click Use It, and the image shows up below. Reshape it to fit whatever size you would like it to be. You can also go ahead and link the image to a website, paste in the URL and click Done. You can add some effects as well, some shadowing effects, and really it allows you to make your image and your glog truly unique and allow you to be as creative as you would like. When it's time to add another form of media, hit the plus button, and this time I'll select video. Just like before, you can upload, you can search YouTube. I've already got a couple of videos that I've uploaded to Glogster. Select it, shows up over here, click Use It, and there you go. Now I'd like to show you just what these items look like when they're in a created or completed glog. I've got one that I've been working on, just to give you an idea of what this would look like in a presentation. Now over here, we've got some text that's been added. We've got images, we've got videos, even some graphics that were taken right from Glogster. The video, for instance, will play directly from your poster.
I feel bees on me. Oh! Is that guy biting my arm?
You can also go directly to the web page that you've linked an image to. Or you may choose to link a word instead of an image. As you can see, this is an extremely interactive way for students to not only learn about the subject matter, but also explore the use of technology and enhance their 21st century learning skills that are critical for.
So hopefully that demonstration gave you a better idea of what Glogster looks like. As you probably saw, there's definitely some cool things that you can do on Glogster. I could definitely see it being a fun activity for students in the classroom. So I got some reviews from commonsense.org. Overall, Glogster actually has a pretty good rating. It was, I think, around 4.5. But I decided to, include, it was 4.5 out of 5, sorry that you mentioned that. So I included, a review from each of the star categories, so that you guys can kind of get a sense of, what people were thinking. Look at the person who put 1 out of 5 stars. They just said it was a waste of time. But then the 5 out of 5 stars is a great way for students to present information on a multimedia platform. Love it. So, I guess I can see, why it could be a waste of time. It seems pretty complex, so, it'll take some time for students to get used to. It's definitely something that you might want to do a couple dry runs on before you actually start, including or start doing a lot more projects on it. Students are going to need time to learn how to do all that, so I can see why it could be time consuming. But I can also see how it really could be a great way for students to present information. You can really include a lot on your Glogster, and they look pretty neat as well. So Glogster can be used as an alternative to PowerPoint, Prezi, and Google Slides in all subject areas. Templates or created glogs can be used for class lectures. And then students and teachers can use Glogster to create personal posters and collages, which number 3 could be neat, for like an intro activity, or maybe like a get to know your students type of deal. You can have them create a personal Glogster about themselves or personal blog. So, Well, that's just about it. I hope you guys learned a few things about Glogster today, and maybe in the future you'll think about using Glogster in your own classroom. So, well, this was Harrison. Thanks for letting me talk to you for just a couple minutes, and have a great day.